Hi guys, welcome to myToyS TV. Today, we're gonna be opening Copy Sweet. Enjoy the new fashion, experience new feelings. Let's check out the back. Her name is Shisa. Classic. Come and play together. Classic. Come and play together. Enjoy the new fashion, experience and a new feeling. Her name is Shisa. So now let's open it. And she comes with a few accessories also. These are so bad packing. I just opened it so easily. Just gonna take this thing out. I don't care if I break the box. This is just trash. Oh, she only came with one accessory. Oh, well that sucks. Let's get this baby out. Get this baby out of here. Yes, we got it out. Now let's get this. We can get the doll. This is a doll. She's so cute and she's halfway bald. What the heck? These copies are so bad. Look.
Yeah, the quality is no good, right?
It's like bald. They just cover it with the front hair. They think that, oh, it's so cute. Maybe I just want to keep it. See, they're bald. So don't buy in this thing. The wire fell out. Great. The wire broke. Both of wires broke. See? They break. See, they're so low quality. Her hairbrush. Let's see if we can brush her hair. I'm not even going to try taking this thing out. Because it's fake. It's just cardboard. We can't even brush her hair. Like we can, but she's crazy. See? Her hair came off. Problem. All of her hair came off.
Oh, it's terrible.
See? These low quality things make their hair so long.
Yeah, they use a machine to, I don't know.
It's so long. I want to be...
It's bad quality.
I'm not even going to... Look. I'm not even play with it.
Yeah.
It's like so low quality. It's so low quality. See her in the box.
What else in the box?
There's nothing.
Oh.
On this, but I don't want to take it out because it's cardboard. Look.
Okay.
And the only hairbrush and her stinky hair that came out.
Yeah.
You want to touch her hair?
Okay.
Cut it out. I'm going to cut it.
Yeah.
I don't care. It's going to be square and fair. Fair and square. Ew. Throw it in the bin. Throw it in the bin. It's like your armpit hairs.
That's disgusting.
See, they're so low quality. They don't even try. Okay, I'm not gonna throw that.
Yeah, her face still look.
Ow, something poked me. It hurts like a needle poked me. Her shoes are takeable,
Yeah.
but 5 billion times harder than my shoes. So this is a fail opening toy challenge. So bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Give this toy, never buy this thing. If you see it, don't buy it. Bye guys, see you next time. Like it, give us a big thumbs up, like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.